So friends, in this video, we are going to talk about Harpie, which is a type of web security tool powered by AI. It is currently supported by OpenSea and Coinbase Ventures. If you check its details on CryptoRank, it has raised funding of $4.5 million. This coin is backed by one of the biggest ventures, so it has strong credibility. Currently, their point system is active, and the airdrop is absolutely confirmed. So let's talk in full detail about how to participate in it. Keep watching the video till the end. First, you need to visit the website. Once you're there, the first thing to do is connect your wallet. At the top, you'll see the option Connect Wallet. Click on it. Now, connect your MetaMask wallet. Basically, it will scan the transactions you've done and allocate points based on them. Simply connect your MetaMask, then enter your email address. After providing your email address, choose any of the given options, click on Continue, and follow the steps. Next, you'll receive a request in your MetaMask. Confirm it, and an interface will open. Based on your transactions, it will calculate points. For example, my dashboard currently shows 83 points. Then, click on Start the Tour, and you'll be directed to your dashboard. You will see the option Improve Your Security, Earn Rewards. Click on Get Started. Here, it explains that you can earn points by scanning your wallet daily, referring your friends, and linking your Twitter account. For referrals, you'll get 2,500 points. By scanning your wallet, you'll receive 250 points. For linking your Twitter account, you'll be rewarded with 1,500 points. Follow the prompts to complete each task. For instance, you can scan your wallet to check past transactions from your MetaMask account. Once the scan is complete, click on Return to Dashboard. At the top of the dashboard, you'll see the Points option. Clicking on it will show your total points. As mentioned earlier, referring friends gives you 2,500 points, scanning your wallet gives you 250 points, and linking your Twitter account adds 1,500 points. These tasks help you accumulate as many points as possible to maximize your airdrop rewards. You can also switch networks. For example, I use the base network, but you can choose Polygon or Arbitrum as well. Once selected, scan your wallet again, and the points will be updated accordingly. That's all for the tasks. I will keep you updated with any new developments. I've already shared the link on my Telegram channel. This was today's video, friends. I hope you liked it. Please like the video, subscribe to the channel, and press the bell notification. See you in the next video. Thanks for watching. Goodbye.